Well, I made it an hour. 10 minutes with a spoon. That was enough. It's been an hour with a whisk, but we now have trace. So it's soap. It's ready to be poured into the molds. And I thought I was going to die. I really miss my stick blender. I don't think I want to do this part again. But I was thinking a whole lot of things other than missing my blender. But I thought I would put in this colorant that I wanted to check out. So we're just going to dump it in there and see how she flies. It might mix it a lot. Well, yeah, we'll mix it all up. So this was like maybe 6 ounces of bacon grease and maybe 2 tablespoons of lye. And we're going to have about probably 3 bars of soap or so. Let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, and a little bit more. So as you can see, you can make soap out of fat, bacon fat. Bye.